Hello friends, I'm back with new video. So today I'll show you how can you convert PDF file into Word file, Word into PDF also. Many more options are there. So what you need to do, you just need to write PDF to Word like this way only, and then after you will get many of the websites which is listed. You can use any one of them to convert. So if I click on the first one, which is ilovepdf.com, so now you just need to click here, select PDF file, and then after you just need to choose the file from your file manager. And here we have a lot more files. For example, that advantages and disadvantages of email I have selected here. So if I want to edit that particular PDF, I just select it and convert it into the Word file. It is free of cost. You don't need any kind of application for converting. So just download it now with just one click and open it. So that PDF file is now opened in Microsoft Word. I can edit it also if I want to, and you will get many of the websites which give free of cost facility. You don't need any kind of application for converting such things. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.